Kamal Hassan to start Clean India campaign from his birthday. The Clean India Swachh Bharat campaign, which was started by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is a huge hit, and he had nominated our own Ulaganayagan to be a part of his campaign to carry forward the momentum in Tamil Nadu. As part of the Clean India campaign, Swachh Bharat, Padma Bhushan Shri Kamal Hassan will lead the volunteers of the Narpani Iyakkam on his birthday on 7th November 2014 at 7 am to launch the cleaning up of Madambakkam Lake on Tambaram Velachery Main Road near Rajakilapakkam Junction, Chennai. On the occasion, his friends and well-wishers from the film fraternity will join the campaign and felicitate. On the same evening at 3 pm, Shri Kamal Hassan will address the press at Anna Auditorium opposite Doordarshan Office, Beach Road, Chennai. Let's all of us put our best foot forward to clean our environment and leave a better environment for the next generation.
எல்லாரும் நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா உங்க மனசுல என்ன இருக்குன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா இருந்தா இந்த பூவை வச்சுக்கோங்க.
எங்க?
That's your problem.